how to find USDT wallet address on Bybit. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to find USDT address in Bybit. First up, after you open up your Bybit app like this, so if you want to get your USDT address, so you go to your assets. After you go to the asset, so you tap on this deposit button. So tap on this deposit. After you select the deposit, now tap on this deposit crypto. So after you select deposit crypto, so now search for USDT at the top. So I will search for USDT. After you search for the USDT, now select it. Here is it. So after you select the USDT, so now you tap on this network button. So from the network, now you choose a network. So I'll scroll to down and choose the BSC. After you choose the network, so now swipe this to right to this site. So to confirm. So after you confirm, now here is your address. So you tap on this copy button, or you tap on this copy address. So you can just choose one of them, or you can save the image. As you can see now, if you tap on this save image, it will save the entire image for you. If you want, you can send the image to someone, and the person will just scan the QR code and send you the USDT. Tap on this copy button just. So now I copy the address. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.